It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 12th of December. Less than 2 weeks away from Christmas now. Active weather continues this week. Rain today. More cold air later this week. And what about the weather at Christmas? What's it going to do? Let's go in there and talk about things. This is the water vapor satellite view early this morning. A very active weather pattern across the continental United States and very cold air up north. The vortex sitting over Canada. And we're kind of underneath the cold air. We're warmer, and we have a wave coming in with this rain falling early this morning. That was the radar at 5:07. Good rain falling for places like Hamilton, Haleyville, Moulton up in northwest Alabama, patches of light rain around Birmingham, and no doubt we'll see rain at times, mainly this morning with that coming through here. And, of course, we're much warmer this morning. Now, because of the clouds and rain, we're in the 50s, except Fort Payne, they're the cool spot. They've got 48. We'll expect a high around 60. These temperatures won't change very much today, but it's still very cold up north. Temperatures way below zero in the snowpack over parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. And our next shot of cold air comes in here on Thursday, so get ready for that. Winter weather problems in the northeast and northwest. Winter storm warnings for parts of New England and up in the northwest parts of Montana and Idaho. But things are quiet down here. This is the convective outlook today. There could be some thunder across the state, but probably not much, and certainly no chance of any severe weather today based on that. But hey, we need the rain. Come on, we got a long way to go to get out of this drought, a long way. This is suggesting rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state over the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. We'll have rain today and tomorrow, another rain opportunity this weekend, as you'll see. But let's take it day by day. GFS 06Z run, noon today. Cold vortex over Canada. Down below that, you can see the rain down here in the deep south. And again, the better chance of rain will come this morning, generally before noon. But we could see a few more showers developing this afternoon and this evening. In fact, this is tomorrow. Looks like a cloudy day will be in the 60s, and occasional rain showers are likely. Not going to rain all day, but it will rain at times. So the best chance of rain this week will come this morning and then again during the day tomorrow. Now, Wednesday, the GFS has gone dry on us with the moisture sweeping out of here, and the NAM agrees. So we can almost eliminate that chance of rain on Wednesday. The sky would be partly sunny, a bit cooler with highs in the 50s if this is right. And then Thursday, here comes the Arctic shot, a 1039 millibar high over Iowa. The winds pick up, a breezy day, a cold day. Highs only in the upper 30s and low 40s, much like the air we had late last week. Temperatures way below average. Here's a look at the actual numbers expected. And again, sub-zero cold throughout the day up north. And down here for Birmingham, I-20 highs around 40. North of Birmingham, more than likely to stay in the 30s all day. Friday morning will be very cold with lows in the upper teens and low 20s. I'd say between 18 and 22. And then Friday will be a sunny day with a high in the middle 40s as the cold air stays in place. Saturday we warm up nicely, but it starts to rain on us as a storm moves in from the west. A good southerly flow as the pressure gradient tightens. So Saturday rain will likely begin at some point during the day, becoming more widespread Saturday night. That's a big snow look there for places like Omaha, Des Moines, Madison, Wisconsin, if you're traveling. And this is Sunday. Again, we'll have rain Saturday night into at least Sunday morning. And this could be a pretty good little rain. This might be a 1-inch rain for us, or maybe more in spots. No severe weather. And another surge of colder air dropping in behind that. And this is Monday, a week from today. And look at this. The upper pattern looks a little different. You can see an upper ridge across the state of Florida. Heights are coming up. And down below that, Monday will be a cool day, but nothing really too cold with highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. That's seasonal. That's where we should be for late December. We'll go to the end of the 10-day period. This is Wednesday of next week, the 21st, and again, a new charge of cold air building over Canada. Very cold up north, but for us, we are cool and dry if this is correct. And just for the fun of it, let's look at Christmas Day. 324 hours, nothing but voodoo here. This will change, but if this happens to verify, the weather would be cool and wet with a chance of showers. seasonal temperatures if this verifies. In fact, let's look at the numbers off the GFS. You can see the big spike down later this week, Thursday and Friday. We warm up over the weekend with rain, and then after that, again, temperatures look seasonal out there toward Christmas Day, highs in the 50s, and that's exactly where we should be based on seasonal averages. We'll check the European, very similar. It's got a high of 55 on Christmas Day. So at this point, we stress there is no evidence of extreme cold, snow, ice problems, nothing like that here over the next 15 days down here in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.